Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into Portal, Azure, com with an account that has group create permissions. Once signed in, go straight to Azure Active Directory, then select Groups and click New Group. Make sure you pick the correct group type, Security or Microsoft 365, and give it a concise display name and description. You should also decide the membership type now. Assigned is Direct Dynamic Uses Rules. Once done, prepare to add owners and members on the same form before proceeding. You now configure the group's core behavior. Choose Assigned for manual members, dynamic user, or device if you want rules. When using dynamic rules, write attribute-based expressions like user, department X sales, and test them. Add at least one owner to manage membership and include initial members if needed. Use the preview or evaluation function to confirm the rule returns expected accounts. Make sure the scope and attributes match your Azure AD schema, then move on to the final validations and creation step. You finish by reviewing all fields for accuracy, then click Create and wait for the provisioning to complete. Once created, verify the group appears in Azure Active Directory, confirm owners and members, and assign any RBAC roles or resource access required. Test membership effects by logging in as a sample user. If the group doesn't appear or membership is wrong, check Azure AD Connect sync status, ensure you have directory write permissions, and refresh the portal. Often a short propagation delay.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.